When it comes to achieving the perfect hairstyle, a quality hair dryer is indispensable. With a variety of models available, finding the right one can significantly impact your hair's health and appearance. The best hair dryers combine powerful performance with innovative technology to ensure faster drying times while minimizing heat damage and frizz. Whether you're after a quick blow-dry or aiming for a professional finish, the right hair dryer can elevate your routine. In this guide, we'll explore the top hair dryers on the market to help you choose the ideal tool for your hair type. All product links are provided in the description. Number 12. Ionic GoldPro Dryer. The Ionic GoldPro Dryer is designed for those who appreciate quiet yet powerful performance. This lightweight hair dryer is engineered to minimize sound emission, making it the quietest option in the top performers. Its powerful airflow ensures efficient drying without compromising comfort, making it ideal for everyday use. While it excels in quiet operation, it may not dry hair as quickly as some of its counterparts. This hair dryer features 2 speed settings and a cool shot button, making it versatile for various styling needs. Number 11. FHI Heat Innovator Pro Power Speed Dryer. The FHI Heat Innovator Pro Power Speed Dryer stands out with its sleek and compact design, making it perfect for maneuverability. This dryer delivers strong airflow and dries hair quickly. Its lightweight construction ensures comfortable handling, while easy-to-reach controls simplify operation during styling. Although it tends to be slightly louder than some models, its powerful performance compensates for this. The dryer includes 2 concentrators and a diffuser, catering to various styling preferences. Ideal for both everyday use and travel, it offers 3 speed and heat settings, making it versatile for different hair types. For those prioritizing performance in a compact form, this dryer is a stellar choice. Number 10. Olivia Garden Ceramic Plus Ion Professional Hair Dryer. The Olivia Garden Ceramic Plus Ion Professional Hair Dryer excels in delivering quick drying times without the discomfort of excessive heat on the scalp. This lightweight dryer features robust airflow and temperature controls, making it ideal for those with fine or thin hair. The dryer's design incorporates 2 concentrators and 3 heat settings, allowing for customized styling options, though it may produce more noise during operation. Number 9. InStyler Turbo Max Ionic Hair Dryer. The InStyler Turbo Max Ionic Hair Dryer is a powerful tool that promises quick drying with strong airflow. This dryer has been recognized for its ability to customize heat levels via a dial, allowing users to find their preferred setting. However, its performance does not compromise efficiency, as it effectively reduces drying time. With 2 speed settings and a cool shot button, it caters to various styling needs. Number 8. Drybar Baby Buttercup Blow Dryer. The Drybar Baby Buttercup Blow Dryer combines powerful performance with travel-friendly features. Ideal for on-the-go styling, this dual-voltage model dries hair quickly without sacrificing efficiency. Its foldable handle makes it easy to pack and store, while the included concentrator ensures precise styling. Although it is slightly heavier than some travel dryers, its powerful capabilities compensate for the weight. With 2 speed settings and a cool shot button, the Baby Buttercup offers versatility for various hair types. Number 7. BaByliss Pro Nano Titanium 2000 Watt Blow Dryer. The BaByliss Pro Nano Titanium 2000 Watt Blow Dryer is designed for professional results in the comfort of your home. With its powerful 2000 watt motor, this lightweight dryer ensures efficient drying while minimizing hand fatigue during use. Featuring innovative Nano Titanium Ionic technology, it promotes even heat distribution, significantly reducing frizz and enhancing shine for all hair types, including thick and coarse textures. Users have praised its ergonomic design and easy handling, making it suitable for prolonged styling sessions. Number 6. Paul Mitchell Neuro Light Tourmaline Hair Dryer. The Paul Mitchell Neuro Light Tourmaline Hair Dryer is a top pick for curly hair, equipped with a diffuser that enhances styling versatility. This dryer features a digital LED display for heat and power settings, allowing for precise control during use. Users laud its ability to reduce frizz while drying hair quickly, thanks to its high airflow and multiple heat settings. while some users found it heavy and potentially uncomfortable to hold for extended periods. The results it delivers are noteworthy. Number 5. Ionic GrapheneMX Brushless Professional Hair Dryer. The Ionic GrapheneMX Brushless Professional Hair Dryer offers a gentle yet powerful drying experience, making it ideal for damaged or fragile hair. It features low air temperature settings that still deliver fast drying times, allowing users to achieve healthy-looking results without excessive heat exposure. This makes it comfortable to hold during use. The dryer comes with 3 concentrators for styling versatility and has easy-to-reach control buttons. Although it is slightly noisy, its effective performance and 10-year warranty on the motor add to its appeal. Number 4. SRI DryQ Smart Hair Dryer. The SRI DryQ Smart Hair Dryer is designed to provide a smooth blowout with minimal frizz. This lightweight dryer packs a powerful punch while remaining easy to handle, thanks to its compact size and foldable handle. It features magnetic attachments for convenience, making styling a breeze. Its impressive drying speeds and smooth results highlight its ability to tackle frizzy hair effectively. However, some users found the controls to be slightly tricky to operate, and the attachments can get hot during use. With 3 speed settings and 4 heat options, this dryer is versatile enough for various hair types. Number 3. Shark SpeedStyle High-Velocity Dryer. The Shark SpeedStyle High-Velocity Dryer is a versatile tool that excels in drying hair quickly while offering multiple styling options. It comes with 5 attachments designed for various hair textures, allowing users to create everything from bouncy curls to sleek blowouts. Users like its impressive drying speed and ability to leave hair smooth and shiny. While its compact size makes it easy to handle, it is also on the heavier side and can be loud during operation. With 3 speed settings and a cool shot button, this dryer accommodates different styling needs and preferences. If you're seeking a reliable and multifunctional hair dryer, the SpeedStyle is an excellent option. Number 2. Hot Tools Turbo Ionic Salon Dryer. The Hot Tools Turbo Ionic Salon Dryer is a compact yet powerful option that delivers salon-quality results at an affordable price. Known for minimizing frizz, this dryer boasts impressive drying speeds. Its lightweight design and easy-to-use controls enhance the overall user experience, while the ample cord length allows for flexible styling. Despite some users noting that the concentrator attachment can be wobbly, the performance and value of this dryer make it a top contender. With 3 speed and heat settings, it caters to a variety of hair types and styling preferences. Number 1. Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. The Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer is a revolutionary tool that combines advanced technology with exceptional performance. Its unique design features a motor housed in the handle, resulting in a lightweight and balanced dryer that reduces arm fatigue. With 5 magnetic attachments, including a diffuser and smoothing tool, it caters to various hair types and styling needs. The dryer offers 3 speed settings and 4 heat levels, providing customizable options for every user. While it comes at a premium price, its innovative design and performance make it a standout choice for those serious about hair care. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.